Yeah, peace. See me but there again. Me I cook some chicken foot soup. You don't know some pumpkin and rare. See there. Me I throw in pressure cooker. I want to cook quick. I want boil chicken foot fast and put in pressure cooker. See thing in the Irish pumpkin everything. Okay. Yeah, me nah yam. Come down. The yam in Canada. I'm afraid of them. You see me? So me I want to buy them and they're good. Me I cut the carrot, cut out the can, Irish, okra, everything in the soup. You see me? Chicken foot soup me I be eating, you know? Yeah. Carrot I cut up quick and fast. Though, yeah. Yeah, techniques, quick and fast. Don't know. These some Irish stuff, quick and fast. Though, yeah man. See there? Done. Everything done. Now pan this up. Flour do you need now. As you can see, chicken foot done. Wood pan 25 minutes for boil and it done. Pumpkin done boil, throw it off in the big pot now. Start boil it now. You know, dumping there, done, ready, you know. Start putting everything and showing everything, see you done boil. I'm gonna put in them dumping there now. Dumping there, in the pot, stir it up, you know. Yeah, one boil now, put in the ingredients and can okra, the Irish and everything, the pumpkin and the rare. Duh, yeah, see there. I'm going pot full of people, I can't believe it. Full up. Duh, but if I work with it, put in them the night, you don't know, I put them thing in the night. Put the seed, careful, let the soup you boil. And I want soup mix and a pumpkin soup mix. Because we not said already, you know. Oh, on the video, you know. We don't want to get banned, you know. Coconut milk, you know. For more flavor. Top it off, you know. Alright. So I go on there. But look pretty and nice, you know. Rich soup. You know, I want to poor people soup. Rich soup, this. This one look like yam. But I'm afraid of the yam over yam. I tell you the truth, man. I mean, I told man, I don't know yam. So I'm going to buy yam. You see me buy a church too. See there? Yeah, man, I eat that, man. Big old bowl, I draw my short in a seat, then I share my soup now. 2 flour, 2 Irish, piece of yam, more yam, no yam, okra, yeah, carrot and 2 flour, and 5 chicken foot. Yeah, we eat chicken foot people, but now I tell you lie. You see, we eat chicken foot, because chicken foot can't affect me now. No way. Yeah, man, so just follow my page. You get me? I say, like, follow, subscribe, everything, because it's my YouTube page, see, so just follow me, TikTok, Instagram, everything, and show some love. It's respect and love. Oh.